Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and I'm back with another tip for using QuoteWerks Web API. And today's tip is, the answer is not always no. And what I mean by that, just by way of demonstration, I've got a slightly customized version of QuoteWerks here, QuoteWerks Web, and I've customized this custom text01 field to be lead source. And in there I've got an F2 lookup, which gives me a series of options. Now what I want to do with my QuoteWerks script is to validate firstly that a lead source has been entered, and secondly that it's one of those F2 lookup values. So going to my scripting manager, already got my prompt there. If this lead source is not complete, do not allow the user to save. If the custom text01 lead source field is not one of the F2 lookup values, then do not allow the user to save. Nice and easy, human English language. We'd expect the AI to be able to generate us something from that. Which it does, and the first part of it, checking the document open, great. We're reading that lead source value from the custom text01 field, just like we asked, great, tick. If the lead source is blank, prompt the user that the lead source is required. Fantastic, looking good. But then we've got these F2 lookup values, which I've no idea where it generated those from, but they're certainly not our F2 lookup values. But first off, on the surface, this appears to work. It's checking that the lead source field has a value in it. Okay, that if we go back to our workspace and we actually enter one, leaflet drop, select, and go back to our scripting manager. It's saying that the lead source must refer to one of these, which is the list that it came up with, but they're not our list. Now I could customize this list to reflect the F2 lookup values, but really I want it to read it from the database. Now that currently is not possible as of the 18th of July 2025. When I'm recording this, that is not possible. I'm sure it will be in the future. So you might be told that this isn't possible. Actually, it is, but it comes at a cost. You need to start using the HTTP request. You need to set up a web service that would read the F2 lookup values, read those F2 lookup values into this variable, for it then to do a proper a check on those values. I'm not going to get into HTTP requests in this video. I've done a lot of those in other videos. If you want to know more about HTTP requests, then take a look at those. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Yeah, going back to the original tip, the answer isn't no, the answer is yes, but it's more difficult perhaps than you necessarily think. And if you're going to come to a QuoteWerks partner like myself, we definitely want to give you the answer to yes to all of your requests. It's one of my favourite answers to be able to give yes. What you might not like is the follow-up, which is how much the effort might be to get that working for you. But in the grand scheme of things, if it's worth having, then we can certainly do it for you. If you want to get in touch, if you'd like to know more about QuoteWerks, QuoteWerks Web, or any of our connected products that integrate with QuoteWerks, get in touch. hilltopsit.co.uk is the website, and when you get there you'll find the contact us button, phone number, email, social media. You can get in touch with us in a variety of ways. Good luck with your QuoteWerks scripting, and let us know how you're getting on.